In this video, we'll learn how to save or export your edited videos from the Instagram Edits application to your photo gallery. Instagram Edits is a new video editing app, and in this tutorial, let's open it and locate the project we want to save to the gallery. This is a simple project I've already edited in the app, and let's say I want to save it to my photo gallery so I can upload it to my social media accounts. First, you'll want to tap on this button next to Export. This allows us to set the video resolution before saving. You can choose HD, 2K, or even 4K if you want the highest quality for your video. There's also an option to set the color profile to SDR, which stands for Standard Dynamic Range. This works great for most videos, but keep in mind it's not as advanced as HDR, which gives you brighter highlights, deeper shadows, and more vivid colors overall. Once you've selected your preferred video resolution and color profile, just tap on the Export option in the top right corner of the screen, and your video will begin saving from the Instagram Edits app to your phone's photo gallery. That's it! Super quick and simple. If you found this helpful and want more tutorials like this one, please leave a like and subscribe to App Tutor. It really helps me out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon!